Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new Gitzo Systematic tripod that I've just received. I'm replacing this tripod with the Gitzo Traveler series that I've got. I actually found that there isn't a video showing the Gitzo Systematic series 4553 tripod when I was researching for this, hence I thought I will show you guys what's in here. I'll have to tilt the camera angle down to show you, the whole unboxing video because the angle isn't wide enough, so just bear with me here. Right. You can see here what's in here. I'm not sure where to start, but because I don't want to be like cutting through the boxes, so I think do it this way. It's a good thing that it's bubble wrapped in a few layers. As you can see, I'm trying to be as careful as possible by not going into the cut box. But yeah, looks to be wrapped up quite well. I think in addition there are still some styrofoam which is good, protecting it, and again bubble wrap over several layers of bubble wrap. There you go. So this is the tripod that we're waiting for, and obviously this is the receipt. Right, let me move this aside and have to put this aside so that it's not in the angle. Right, there you go. Yeah, so what's this saying? Frame on Gitzo. So as you can see, it is saying GT4553s. This is the latest version of the 4 series 5-section tripod. So inside the box, it's got slider and now I understand what are those sounds. So it's the Allen wrenches here. Let's see what else is in here. More cut bolts and look. Yep, there's nothing else. So yep, I'll just put it here. Put this aside. So let's just see what's in here. I think it's the same as the Traveler series that I have. Different rubber feet, obviously user manual and warranty details. I think, yeah, the packaging is fairly nominal. Yep, this is the warranty, and this is the quick manual showing how to operate this. Not sure how well it will turn up in the camera, but yeah. this aside. So I must admit, this dust bags, so the size of the tripod is this length, but the dust bag is this length. So I'm not sure, you know, why, but I suspect this is like a generic size for Gitzo, and then they just shove it in. Right. Whoa, okay. There you go. So this is the GT4553, as you can see here. And it is, well, it feels very, very sturdy. The reason why I bought this is because of the size of this. I believe this is like the 75mm width. For the adochrome gear, because of the slider that I use, when it slides to one end, because of the slide module, on the other tripod or the Gitzo Traveler tripod that I have, it will have the bowing effect. So I've decided to get this because of the size of the center bowl. But yeah, the size of this first section, it is incredible. I mean, this is not my first Gitzo tripod, but the quality of it is incredible. Wow. And like I said, it is a 5-section tripod, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this one has got a special feet. I'll have to look at the manual to see how it works, but anyhow, yeah. And this one, obviously you could replace it if you want it. But yeah, just to show you a quick measurement of the size of this. A quick measurement shows that this one is about 49 centimeter, which is what is stated on, you know, the specification and the website. So all good with that. Like I said, the reason why we bought this is because I need to check in this in the check-in luggage, and I've brought like the luggage that we have here. Let's just put this aside. Hopefully this can go in. Wow, it's really, really tight fit. Let's just have a look. I'm not sure whether there's anything in the luggage, but we'll see. It's alright, I've got some stuff in there, but wow. You could just about fit it in the check-in luggage, which is the reason why then. There you go. I will post another video after, you know, several weeks or months after I've used this with the adochrome gear and follow up with the review. But like I said, it is not our first Gitzo tripod, and just by looking at the sheer size and the quality and also the size of the central bowl, I'll have no doubt that this will be absolutely perfect for the adochrome gear that I'm going to be using to shoot the time lapses or, you know, motion devices. But yeah, hope you find this useful, and let me know if you have any questions. Obviously, comparing this with the Traveler is not really going to be useful because this is so chunky. And this new 4553 has got this magic arm attachment, which I'm hoping to be able to use in the future by attaching maybe like a monitor. But yeah, just a quick one. This is really solid and I'm well chuffed. Well, that's it for now. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.